Personnel, my lord.
Where is your representation?
My representation page 41, my lord.
Which is your writ petition?
Page 39. Sorry, my lord.
WP 113.
I don't know. Well, the recital of the writ petition is, my lord. First, the writ petitioner of the 113 given representation to the concerned authority, including the district magistrate, for against objection, the graveyard, construction of the graveyard within the area of the Hindu community and the school, primary school, in the trees of the non-forest area. Page number 34 and 35 of my writ petition. Thereafter, the notice was served.
What is the classification of the land?
Oh, graveyard dispute, lordship.
Well, I am for the applicant, my lord.
My lord,
Issue of the graveyard, my lord, where
my lord, item number 29. On behalf of the
my
petitioner,
lord
my
was pleased to direct that to tag with two matters. Because of the reason, my lord, I have alleged in my application that we are from the community, those who are Muslim in belief, they could not bury our own person after the death, and the petitioner are concerned. So far, the second petition is concerned, my lord. They are signed in the mutual understanding, where they have also signed as a part of transaction, my lord. But even if they have filed this deed application, and that something dispute is going on with that, this, my lord, for that very reason, my lord was pleased to direct me to make a party to the graveyard committee. But I had made the party.
Your file can 1.
Yes.
We can order. Have you served notice? You are appearing for the
Yes, my lord.
newly added party.
lord, I have not been added in the item number 28.
In this also we will add.
No. My lord, they are the applicant in the previous, the next one. So, my lord, it was fallen from your lordship. That's why.
Can 1 of 2025 is allowed, and the
My lord, I have some submission, my lord.
and
My
the
lord, item number
applicant
29, my lord.
added as a respondent in the writ petition, and the learned advocate for the petitioner shall make necessary correction in the past item.
Well.
Then what to do?
My lord, BDO had already taken a leave on the last occasion. My lord, I filed one report, my lord. So he was trying to facilitate, my lord, compromise between the parties, my lord. Kindly cease, my lord. Answer to,
What
my
happened?
lord,
No compromise.
para 7 and para 10.
That
No,
compromise, that compromise resolution has been written, my lord, under the gunpoint, my lord, in presence of the police personnel. My lord, kindly see the page number.
My lord, gunpoint,
My
no
lord,
complaint has been alleged.
Thereafter, my lord, I given representation to the district magistrate, my lord. Page number 41, my lord. The resolution has been taken, my lord, under the red light in presence of the police personnel, my lord.
Where is your representation?
My representation page 41, my lord.
Which is your writ petition?
Page 39. Sorry, my lord.
WP 113.
I don't know.
Your writ petition.
Yes, my lord. 113.
39.
Yes. My lord, what happened, my lord? Well, the recital of the writ petition is, my lord. First, the writ petitioner of the 113 given representation to the concerned authority, including the district magistrate, for against objection, the graveyard, construction of the graveyard within the area of the Hindu community and the school, primary school, and by cutting the trees of the non-forest area. Page number 34 and 35 of my writ petition. Thereafter, the notice was served.
What is the classification of the land?
As a
Where is the
kobors,
land record?
as a kobors, sir.
Kavastan.
Kobors, sir.
Then how can we say that they cannot?
It is just a creation of some people.
My lord, send it to the
There is
district
no
magistrate.
dispute.
District
If it is
magistrate,
covered.
district magistrate will be taken the
if,
decision.
if a land has been classified as Kavastan, unless it is reclassified as some other purpose, Vastu, this, that, etc., we cannot.
My lord
say-
is very much correct, but there is some, my lord, Hindu community, but the sentiment of that community should be considered, my lord.
No.
No,
That can be considered if they are illegally burying body in an area which is not classified
was done
as
subsequently.
Kavastan. If a land is classified as Kavastan,
no, so far as
No. In the annexure, my lord, it is showing, but subsequently it has been transformed.
so far the
I can
annexure
show.
to the BDO's report is concerned, it shows some other classification, my lord. That is not Kavastan. So far as annexure to the BDO's report
Where
is
is the video's report?
on the last occasion, my lord, I put it on record, my lord. May I hand over a copy?
No, আমার কাছে কবরস্থান আছে।
No,
I
my
got
lord,
that copy,
this
my
is
lord.
not Kobristan, my
Lord,
lord.
March, my lord, 2025 was the
My lord,
report.
this is the present record of right.
We have got inspector of police.
And the same day, my lord, BDO's report is there, lordship. Kindly cease.
Yes.
My lord, this is
And this is the only annexure. Last page, my lord. Last page of the report.
Ah.
It is Aush, that is not covered. It's in Bengali vernacular.
Yes, my
But my lord, I got that copy, my lord.
Aush is some agricultural, my lord.
No, house is a agriculture, but I got that copy. It has been transformed subsequently, my lord.
Converted.
Converted.
Please sit on record.
You show that,
Yes, my lord. Right now I cannot find it. But I got that copy, my lord.
but in the writ petition, have you said that originally it was Kaush and now it has been reclassified?
In my
That is why the problem has come.
The deed, that is a gift deed, 12th April 2023, that is.
My lord, in my writ petition, page number
My
16.
paragraph 6, my lord, I have stated.
Mentioned. Do it
Uh,
No, that is this document.
That is,
Page number 16, my lord, in my writ petition.
No, there is some gift deed which was executed on
Hmm.
12th April,
Hmm.
2023,
Yes.
in which you described it as Kabastan. I told it
No, my
can't,
No,
unless and until the land is classified.
my lord, the dispute arise on and from that very day when it was started for the
No, no,
burial.
merely because in your gift deed, you describe the document as, I mean, land as Kabastan, it can't become Kabastan. You
That-
show some record.
Well, that is the committee should transform in, my lord. It has been gifted in name of the Kobristan committee.
No, 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 no.
Yes, my lord.
From
that-
XYZ has executed the gift deed.
Huh.
In the gift deed, in the schedule, it is said Kabastan. But in the revenue record, it is not so. You get it converted.
That's true. That's
The-
that I have.
Both the writ petitions have to be heard together since they both are connected concerning a plot of land, which according to the petitioner in WP 54 of 2025 is a land that has to be used as a burial ground for people of Muslim community. According to the petitioner, in WPAP 113 of 2023, the land is not being classified as Kabastan and it cannot be converted into a graveyard, and any such activity will be illegal. There appears to have been some settlement talks between the parties, and according to the petitioner, Adir Biswas, petitioner in WPAP 113 of 2023, the said minutes of the meeting of the alleged compromise was recorded by using police force. Be that as it may, from the report submitted by the block development officer, block land and land reforms officer, Hanskali Nodia, the classification of the land is
House.
Aush. Inverted.
Cultivate.
According to the learned advocate for the petitioner in WPAP 54 of 2025, the land was gifted for the purpose of Kabastan, but subsequently the classification has been changed in the revenue records by the department concerned. However, there is no document to support such a claim. Therefore, as long as the land continues to remain as classified as Aush, no burial can be done by any person belonging to any community. It is made clear that unless and until the land is classified as Kabastan, the question of making any burial of any dead bodies would not arise. It will be well open to the parties to approach the authorities for necessary relief in this regard.
Published.
My lord, may I submit one submission, my lord?
Proposed. User as per ROR, it's
proposed R1.
furthermore, we note that in the major information of the deed appended to the gift deed, the use of the land as per the ROR is Aush, and it was proposed to be used as Kabastan. Thus, it is clear that as on date, the land has not been classified as Kabastan, and therefore no burial of dead bodies can be done in the land in question.
My lord is keeping pending of this application, my lord. My lord, then my lord, the problem may arise, my lord, subject to kind sanction. My lord, give us some time so that I can approach before the authority. I shall come back. My lord, kindly keep the, because it's a sentiment, it's a two different religion.
No,
my lord.
proposed use is Kabastan.
Yes, my lord, I
You are
have.
creating a communal problem.
No,
You are creating.
my lord, kindly
We will dismiss
appreciate.
your petition with cost. X, Y, Z fellow executes a gift deed. In the schedule of the property, it describes a Kabastan. BLLR's report says otherwise.
That is yet
in
to be
your
done.
own document, please. Don't run away from facts. Next.
It is not